to another video. Today we have the Craftsman deals are back. The buy one get one free at Lowe's. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTubers the platform, by subscribing and like. So help out the channel by doing so. Let's go ahead and get started. So guys, if you're on the Craftsman or if you like any of these tools, you guys can get this for $99, this deal with the free tool. So you got the 4 amp hour battery, you got the charger. It says 4 amp hour battery, 2 battery kits, charger included. Says, alright, so you go, I'll leave the link to the description, on the description of this video. Excuse me. So I'll leave the link of this tool. You basically go here, select the free tool. You can select the 20 volt variable speed cordless reciprocating saw. You can select the 4.5 20 volt max trigger switch cordless angle grinder. You can select the V20 20 volt 6.5 cordless circ saw with brake and metal shoe, which this is one of the best ones that I like, because I saw it. If you guys didn't watch my video, but we did see this deal going on at the stores. I'll see if I can link the video up above if you guys want to see a live deal for this thing, for this deal at the store. So yeah, Craftsman 120 I don't know what says is 120 lithium ion air inflate, maybe that's the PSI. Air inflator, power source, battery, car charge, electric. Guys, that's one thing that amazed me about this inflator, is that you can plug this to the wall. You can plug this to the car, the 12 volt adapter, or you can just put a Craftsman battery. That's a plus. I don't think I ever seen an inflator that has three different powers that you can power, power sources basically. So there you go. You can get that one too. You can get the sander. He's a 20 volts corded random orbital sander, no case included. Or you can get the V20 12 piece 20 volt max variable speed oscillating multi toolkit. Or you can get the 20 volt max job site blower. Or you can get the the cordless job site Bluetooth speaker. Or you can get the 20 volt job site fan, batteries not included. Or you can get the max variable speed 3/8 drive cordless ratchet wrench. You can get the 20 volt max variable speed keyless cordless jigsaw, battery not included. Or you can get the 20 volts cordless handheld vacuum. So a bunch of great deals, guys. Definitely check it out. Lots of great stuff here going on. If you're a DIY, or if you like any of these tools, you can get into this platform for just about $100. So that's gonna get you in, and you're gonna pretty much be using this with the nice big battery here. This is a 4 amp hour battery. The battery by itself, it's more than $100. So just keep that in mind. So you're getting a lot for the money here in this deal. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you.